Picture two friends, Rahul and Priya. Both are 25 years old, both start investing on the same day, and both put exactly 5,000 rupees into the same mutual fund. Fast forward 25 years. Rahul has built a corpus of around 95 lakhs. Impressive, right? But Priya? She's sitting on nearly 2.5 crore rupees. Same starting amount. Same fund. Same market conditions. Yet Priya has almost 3 times more wealth than Rahul. What sorcery is this? Here's the thing, there's no magic involved, no secret stock tips, no insider knowledge. The only difference? Priya used something called a step-up SIP, while Rahul stuck with a regular SIP for 25 years without any changes. And here's what hurts the most. Rahul actually earned more money over those 25 years. His salary went from 30,000 to over 2 lakhs per month. But his SIP stayed frozen at 5,000 rupees like it was stuck in 2024. Meanwhile, Priya simply increased her SIP by 10% every year, matching her salary growth. That's it. That one simple decision created a difference of over 1.5 crore rupees. Now I know what you're thinking. Ari yaar, this sounds complicated. But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to implement this strategy today. I'll show you the precise calculations, walk you through free calculators, and reveal which platforms make this stupidly easy. So if you're tired of your money growing slower than your neighbor's ego, stick around. This might just be the most important financial video you watched this year. Alright, let's break this down in the simplest way possible. You already know what a regular SIP is, right? You invest a fixed amount, say 5,000 rupees, every month into a mutual fund. Rain or shine, bull market or bear market, that 5,000 goes in like clockwork. Simple and effective. Now, a step-up SIP, also called a top-up SIP, adds one powerful twist. Instead of keeping your investment amount fixed forever, you automatically increase it by a certain percentage every year. Think about your own life for a second. When you started your first job, maybe you were earning 25 or 30,000 rupees. Today, you're probably earning significantly more. Your rent has increased. Your lifestyle has upgraded. Your phone definitely got more expensive. But here's the question that should keep you up at night. Did your investments grow with your income? For most Indians, the answer is a painful no. We get a 10 or 15% salary hike and immediately think about that new iPhone, that Goa trip, or that fancy dinner. The SIP? It stays exactly where it was 3 years ago. Step-up SIP fixes this problem automatically. You set it once, forget it, and your investment grows alongside your career. It's like putting your wealth building on autopilot. The beauty is that this small annual increase doesn't even pinch your pocket because your salary is growing too. You're essentially investing your future raises before you get a chance to spend them on things you don't need. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Let me show you the actual math that makes this strategy so incredibly powerful. Okay, grab a pen and paper because these numbers are going to change how you think about money forever. Let's take a realistic example. Starting SIP of 5,000 rupees per month. Investment horizon of 25 years. Expected annual return of 12%, which is reasonable for equity mutual funds in India over the long term. With a regular SIP, you invest 5,000 every month for 25 years. Total investment comes to 15 lakh rupees. At 12% annual returns, your corpus grows to approximately 95 lakh rupees. Not bad at all. You've multiplied your money more than 6 times. Now let's add the step-up magic. Same 5,000 rupees starting amount. Same 25 years. Same 12% returns. But now you increase your SIP by just 10% every year. In year 1, you invest 5,000 per month. Year 2, it becomes 5,500. Year 3, 6,050 rupees, and so on. By year 25, your monthly SIP would be around 54,000 rupees. Sounds like a lot, right? But remember, your salary in year 25 will also be dramatically higher than today. Here's the stunning result. Total investment over 25 years is approximately 59 lakh rupees. Your final corpus? A whopping 2.4 to 2.5 crore rupees. Let that sink in. You invested about 44 lakhs more over 25 years, but your wealth increased by nearly 1.5 crore rupees extra. That's the exponential power of combining step-up contributions with compound interest. Even a 5% annual step-up makes a massive difference, taking your corpus from 95 lakhs to around 1.5 crores. The lesson is crystal clear. The money you add in later years works less hard than the money you add early, but it still works. And when combined with compounding, every extra rupee counts exponentially. Alright, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty with an actual step-up SIP calculator. I want you to do this alongside me so you can see your own numbers. Open your browser and search for step-up SIP calculator. You'll find several free options from Grow, ET Money, ClearTax, and others. They all work similarly, so pick any one. First input is your monthly SIP amount. Let's put 10,000 rupees, which is a good starting point for someone earning around 50 to 60,000 per month. Next, enter your expected annual return. I'm going to use 12%, which is historically reasonable for diversified equity funds in India. Be conservative here, don't put 20% and fool yourself. Now comes the crucial part, the annual step-up percentage. Enter 10%. This means next year your SIP becomes 11,000, then 12,100, and so on. Finally, enter your investment tenure. Let's say 20 years, assuming you're in your late 20s or early 30s and planning for retirement or a major goal. Hit calculate and watch the magic happen. With a regular SIP of 10,000 for 20 years at 12%, you'd have around 99 lakh rupees. But with a 10% annual step-up, your corpus jumps to approximately 1.9 crore rupees. Almost double the wealth with the same starting amount. Now play around with these numbers. Try 7% step-up if 10 feels aggressive. Try 15% if you're in a high-growth career. See how changing the tenure from 20 to 25 years impacts your corpus. This 5-minute exercise can literally add crores to your retirement. I've linked the best calculators in the description below. Spend some time with them tonight. Understand your numbers. This is your money, your future, your responsibility. Now let's talk about where you can actually set up a step-up SIP. Not all platforms support this feature, and even among those that do, the experience varies significantly. Let me give you an honest breakdown. Grow is probably the most beginner-friendly option. Their interface is clean, setting up a step-up SIP takes about 2 minutes, and they support both percentage-based and fixed amount increases. The app sends you reminders and the tracking is excellent. Highly recommended for first-time investors. Zerodha Coin is great if you're already in the Zerodha ecosystem. It offers direct mutual funds, which means lower expense ratios and more money in your pocket. The step-up feature is called SIP Top-Up here. Slightly more complex interface but worth it for the cost savings over time. Kuvera deserves special mention for being completely free with zero commissions. They have a feature called Smart SIP which automatically suggests step-up amounts based on your financial goals. Their family account feature is also excellent if you're managing investments for parents or spouse. Paytm Money and ET Money are solid alternatives with good step-up features. ET Money has excellent educational content built into the app, which helps if you're still learning. Most AMC websites like SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC AMC, and ICICI Prudential also allow step-up SIPs directly. This is useful if you prefer dealing with the fund house directly. One important tip: always opt for direct plans, not regular plans. Direct plans have lower expense ratios, typically 0.5 to 1% less, which compounds significantly over time. All the platforms I mentioned offer direct plans. My personal recommendation for most viewers? Start with Groww or Kuvera. Simple, free, and gets the job done without overwhelming you with features you'll never use. Before you rush to set up your step-up SIP, let me share some critical tips and common mistakes that can derail your wealth-building journey. First, don't be overambitious with your step-up percentage. I've seen people set 20 or 25% annual increases, feel the pinch in year 2, and stop investing altogether. A stopped SIP is worse than a modest SIP. Start with 7 to 10%, something sustainable that matches realistic salary growth expectations. Second, align your step-up with your actual income cycle. If your appraisal happens in April, set your step-up to kick in from May. This way, the increase coincides with your salary hike and feels natural, not forced. Third, review your step-up every few years. Life changes. You might have a baby, take a career break, or start a business. It's okay to pause the step-up temporarily, just don't stop the base SIP if you can help it. Fourth, diversify your step-up across fund categories. Don't put everything into one small-cap fund hoping for maximum returns. Split your step-up SIP across large-cap, mid-cap, and flexi-cap funds based on your risk appetite. Fifth, don't ignore the tax implications. After 1.25 lakh rupees in annual long-term capital gains from equity funds, you pay 12.5% tax. With larger corpuses from step-up SIPs, you'll hit this limit sooner. Plan your redemptions accordingly using strategies like systematic withdrawal plans. Finally, the biggest mistake? Not starting because you're waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect fund. The best time to start a step-up SIP was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let me give you a crystal clear action plan that you can implement before you go to sleep tonight. Step 1. Open a SIP calculator right now. Use the links in the description. Input your current savings capacity, a realistic return expectation of 10 to 12%, and a 10% annual step-up. See what your future corpus looks like. Let that number motivate you. Step 2. If you already have SIPs running, log into your platform and check if step-up is enabled. If not, enable it today. Most platforms let you add step-up to existing SIPs without creating new ones. Step 3. If you're starting fresh, choose Groww or Kuvera, complete your KYC which takes 10 minutes with Aadhaar, select a diversified flexi-cap or index fund, start with whatever you can afford even if it's just 1,000 rupees, and enable a 10% annual step-up. Step 4. Set calendar reminder for your appraisal month to review and potentially increase your step-up percentage based on your actual salary hike. Step 5. Share this video with one friend or family member who needs to hear this. Wealth building knowledge should spread. Let me leave you with this thought. Your future self is being created by the decisions you make today. Every month that passes without a step-up SIP is a month of potential wealth you'll never get back. Compound interest doesn't wait for anyone. The math is clear. The platforms are ready. The only question is, are you? If this video added value to your financial journey, smash that like button and subscribe to Mahayukti Finance for more wealth building strategies. Drop a comment telling me your step-up percentage and which platform you're using. I read every single comment. Until next time, invest wisely and build generational wealth. Jai Hind.